both make it to the team.
Yeah, me too. I can't believe you two think you'll get on the team. There's no chance. Yeah, I bet you guys can't even kick a ball.
Everyone, listen up. You and goalie, go over there. Now, everyone else, start warming up.
My grandma could have saved that.
If your grandma could have saved that, wasn't she on the team?
That's the point. Neither of you should be on the team.
Looks like the results have been made. Wow, I can't believe it. We made it.
Look, we didn't get on the team.
Yeah, we definitely deserved it.
Yeah, we did.
Look, those two girls made it.
We definitely deserved it more than them.
Yeah. Hey, I just wanted to say congratulations on making the team. Thank you, it means a lot.